Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a drink that you are gonna be drinking and you are gonna be looking really beautiful without makeup. Like, you know that what you actually take inside reflects from the outside. Yeah, so this drink is going to help you to glow. It's going to help you to tone up your skin. It's going to make product to work when you apply product on your skin. Yeah, so if you want to know what it does comprises, please do continue watching and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. Now let me take you right into this video. The drink that would help you to glow your skin and make you look really beautiful, I'm gonna be making use of orange among other ingredients. So this is how I'm gonna be doing it. So what I'm gonna be doing now is that I'm gonna be cutting my orange. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be I'm going to be pressing out the juice of this orange first. So you can take as much orange or use as much orange as you would want. There's actually plenty of juice in oranges now. Okay, so now the next ingredient is carrots, and we're going to be peeling the carrots. Washing it, and then we'll have to cut it in pieces. And then we'll have to put it into a blender, put in water, then we'll keep that aside. Now we're also going to be using dates, and the dates we're going to be needing is going to be a ripe date, so you have to use a ripe date. So have to open up and remove the seed. Now if your date does not contain seed, know that it is actually not organic, and it might not work like the organic ones. Yeah, I'm actually cutting it, yeah, so that it will be easy for the blender to blend it out. Okay, so I'm actually going to be putting the date with the carrots, and then I will blend it. Okay, so we're done blending, and this is how it is. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna be sieving it out equally. Okay, so this is how it looks like, but this is not all. So the next ingredients I'm going to be needing is mango, and for this mango I'm actually going to be removing the peel of the mango. Then I'm going to be cutting the meats out. So now I would have to equally blend this. I actually didn't put them together because for this particular one I'm not going to be sieving it, so I'm going to be putting the juice of this one. So I've actually turned it in, and now I'll have to mix it together. And this is it. Yeah, this is mango, orange, carrots and ripe dates. You want to have that baby glow, drink this for at least 2 weeks and you are going to be seeing a whole lot of improvement, guys. So this is actually the solution to your skin not being glowing. Alright, so take this every morning for the space of 2 weeks and your skin is gonna look super duper young and you are going to be glowing. Okay guys, so for this particular one I can't wait to take mine. It's so yummy and I love the taste, and it's so delicious and sweet because of the dates. Okay, so all of this natural goodness are what we actually want for our skin, is what we want, you know, to glow with. Yeah, so go try this and have that young looking and plump beautiful skin, okay, that you have always admired. And when you drink this, you are going to be seeing the difference from outside. Your skin is going to begin to get glowing, get smooth, get polished and get toned. Yeah, so this is it. Beautiful. So that's it, guys. It is a delicious and a healthy drink, and you are gonna be loving it, guys, and it's going to actually help you boost your immune system, and it's gonna help you glow from the inside out. Okay, so if you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video, and I will see you again. Bye, guys.